is the Minnesota State Academy for Park Maintenance, Preservation, and Beautification. The finest institution of its kind, the Academy is where we train the best and the brightest in the field. At the Academy, our students are trained in absolutely every aspect of parks maintenance and beautification. From lawnmower repair
Try it now.
to sprinkler theory, and even park-specific culinary arts. Now that's a good-looking wiener. Every year, thousands apply with the aim of being accepted into the program, with the hopes of graduating and joining the ranks of the Academy's celebrated alumni, such as Raymond Malowacki, the first person ever to introduce the concept of team-based lawn mowing, or the great Philip Edward Hammond, inventor of the ditch. True heroes indeed. But perhaps we're getting ahead of ourselves, aren't we? Before you, the viewer,